this video, we're going to be dealing with how to write a business plan, key steps to take in writing a business plan, and key content, like what content are supposed to be in your business plan. We're going to be outlining the processes, and I'm going to be explaining to you basics on each of these each of the outlines. Basically, I have had experiences in writing business plans. I have watched a lot of videos on how to write business plans, and I have also been trained in school in entrepreneurial development studies how to write a business plan. Please subscribe to the channel if you love such content, and please like this video, give it a thumbs up if you do love this content, and if you do like this video, please check out my other videos. I will link in the cards and in the description box below. We're going to list out the outlines first. So I want you guys to have a piece of paper or something near you that you can use to jot down or type it on your phone or something. But these are the outlines, basic things that are supposed to be in your business plan. We have executive summary, business description, market analysis, competitive analysis, sales and marketing plan, ownership and management plan, your product, your operational plan, your milestones or your goals, your financial plan, and appendix or exhibits. So we're going to take them one by one and explain them briefly, and I'm going to explain them as much as I can. So the first item on the list is the executive summary. Now, the executive summary is basically a brief explanation of what the whole business is about, brief summary of the whole business plan as it is, right? So because it's a summary of the whole business plan, and definitely you haven't written the business plan yet, but it's the first content in your business plan, then it's advisable to write it last when you're done with everything else, and then you can now give a summary of it. So the list of things that will be included in your executive summary will be your business name, your legal structure, brief explanation of what your company does, your vision, your mission, your main product, and your purpose, right? So your vision is just it's like what you see your company being in the future, like what state or what has your company achieved in the nearest future. Well, not nearest future, it could be way far from now, or right now, but that's what just the vision is. The vision is basically what actually even makes you to start the business in the first place, right? Then the mission is basically the vision in action. That's how I see it. So basically the mission is things that you do. What are the things you're actually going to do, major things you're going to do to achieve the vision. And the purpose is, why exactly are you even having this business? Why this vision? What's the purpose of this vision? What's this vision going to be doing exactly? Then your main product is, what are you selling? For example, for my firm, we're selling art. My main product is art and creativity. That's what we're selling. That's the major product. Now that main product is going to be broken down into smaller products. That's things that people can actually buy, because definitely you can't just say, okay, I want to buy art. Okay, what kind of art is it? What expression of art is it you get? So that's the idea of what vision, mission, and purpose is, and your product. The next section would be your business description. Your business description consists of what your business is. Is your business a fashion business? Is it an electronic business? Is it a service rendering kind of business? Maybe you help people to braid their hairs. That's a hair business. What kind of business is it? Then your products and your services listed. Now this is where you actually start breaking down what exactly your product is. So basically, what exactly are we doing? Okay, it's a fashion business, but what are we doing? Our products and services. Okay, we do fashion illustrations for fashion designers. What problem are you solving? Every business should have a problem that they're solving. And the reason is because if you're not solving a problem, then you're going to find it difficult to get clients and get customers, because then you're not actually providing any solution to them, and your business should actually be providing solution to people, and that's how you get them to buy your product. So what problem is your business solving? What results will your product give? So what's the result that your product is going to give after people purchase it? It's as simple as that. Then why do you do what you do? And your unique standpoint. So basically, what is the main reason for you doing what you're doing? What is your unique standpoint? Your unique standpoint will be what actually sets you apart from other people doing similar things that you are doing, because you're not the only one in the world. Definitely someone else is doing something that you are doing, so definitely you need to put down there what exactly is making you different from my competitors. The next outline will be your market analysis, and your market analysis will consist of your target market or audience, and audience, any one of them, but target market, target audience. Who are they? Basically, who are those people? So you need to specify who those people are based on demographics and psychographics. Demographics is things like age, gender, income, and location, while psychographics will be based on interests and desires, right? Then you need to also know the size of that target market and where to find that target market. So for example, if the target market that for my business is Covenant University, which is the school I currently go to, right? Okay, who are they? I'll get a demographics of maybe the average age of people in Covenant University is usually between 16 and 25. And then basically get gender. Okay, I know that in my school definitely we have more males than female. And then location, we're all in Covenant University during school periods. But when we're outside school periods, where are the Covenant University students? Things like that. And then you also want to know the size of target market. Last I checked, size of Covenant University was over 7,000 students. So that would be my market size. And then where can I find them? Covenant University. Basically, that's the major place that I will find them, because when we're on holiday, it's going to be hard to track them. So basically, I'll find them in school. So that's just a brief example of how you go about your market analysis. Then you can also do this for like each product, because for example, let's say your business is a fashion brand and you don't want to necessarily just niche down and just target only women. You also want to target maybe men. So then you can have two different market analyses. For women, that's for what style of clothing, like what age range of these women do you actually want to sell to, and then the men, basically. So that's how you can also do it for various different products. Or if your business has like various subsidiaries and they're all doing like different things, then you have to do market analysis for each of them, because then each business is not catering to the same target audience. The next outline will be marketing and sales plan. Marketing and sales plan will consist of your visibility strategy, which is how people will find your business; lead generation strategy, how you will establish contacts with your business, with the people rather; sales strategy, how will you turn your leads to paying customers. So basically, it's just the marketing and sales plan is a place where you just mention how you're going to reach your customers, how you're going to communicate with them, and how you're going to turn them into actual paying customers. The next outline will be competitive analysis. Competitive analysis would consist of who your competition is, what makes you different from your competition, and the way you can do that is through SWOT analysis, right? You can do a SWOT analysis to know their strengths, weakness, opportunities, and threats, and you can use that to also structure your business later on. And then basically you need to know who they are. Literally, you need to know who they are. The next outline will be where you will now describe your products and your services. Now, in this place, you're going to dedicate it to basically every single thing that you see your business ever producing or rendering as a service to customers. Describe everything there, and basically how those products are going to be manufactured. Are you going to, if you want to start selling clothes, are you going to manufacture clothes yourself, or you want to buy clothes from a vendor and then sell them like drop shipping or something? How exactly are you going to get those products and all this stuff? So basically, put them in this section of your business plan. The next part is called operational plan, and this is the part of your business plan where you basically state your day-to-day activities. You do your employment structure summary, basically how your business runs. Okay, so your day-to-day activities, basically how things are going to be run during the day. Okay, do I want my business to be online? If it's online, that means basically you can work maybe between 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. in the evening, however you want to structure it. If it's a physical location, you might want to start by 10 a.m. maybe because of traffic and end by like 5 so that people can get back home. However you want it to be, depending on the situation or how you want your business to run. Basically, do you want your business to be strictly online? Do you want it to be online and offline? You stay everything there. How is your business going to run based on employment, your employment structure? Okay, I want to have minimal amount of staff, basically for each key position. Basically, they will be doing major tasks. So you want like a huge employment structure. Well, you have to also look at the size of your business. If your business does not require a lot of employees, then I don't think you should be employing so many people because you run at a loss, definitely. So those are like things you put in your operational plan. Then next part of the outline is your milestones or your goals. While this will be grouped into 1 year and 5 years. That's what most people do. That's mostly what most people do. Okay, so 1 year will be basically what you want to achieve in the next year. So let's say I start my business today, and in the next year I see myself buying a physical place for me to actually resume work, and my employees can resume work as well. I have a 1 year span for me to plan how to achieve that. The goal is for me to get a place right in 1 year time, but my milestones will be each stage that I'm going to pass to get to that goal. So basically, my first step might be, okay, to get your first client, to get your first 10 clients, first 20 clients, raise funds from it. Okay, I have to make sure that percentage of my funds is going into landed property for me to buy a place or build, or I want to rent. And then at the end of the day, I get to that 1 year and I've made my goal. I've achieved my goal. Your 5 years goal would be basically where you want your company to be in the next 5 years. And again, you're going to do milestones that leads you to achieving that goal. Then the second to the last part of your business plan or section or outline is going to be your financial plan. And in this part, you're going to have your break-even analysis or break-even point, your cost analysis, your profit margins, your marketing budget. Okay, your marketing budget though is part of your costing. Basically, what does it take you to produce your goods? How much is it going to take you to produce your goods or your products? How much is it going to take you to render the service? Like, what is it going to cost you? Then your profit margins, basically your profit. When you actually now sell these goods, what profit are you going to be getting from it? Then your marketing budget. I put this one separate because I feel like it's very important in today's age and time. So you definitely want to have like a marketing budget that goes along with your marketing plan. Then your inventory cost. Basically, I've said inventory cost. Basically, what does it cost you to get your products on ground for sale? And the last part or outline would be your appendices or appendix or exhibits. This is a section where you put in necessary information that you think would be important for them to know that is not included in the rest. So you can have like images of your proposed product. That's if you have prototypes. If you have like special drafted contracts or something like that, or like list of prices, or if you have something basically that is not part of the whole outline that you want your investors or whoever is going to be reading your business plan to know, that's what you're going to put in the last part of your business plan. Now, I really want to say this before I go, right? Every single thing that I've mentioned here isn't that compulsory. Well, it's necessary. It's very, very necessary. Very, very necessary. For you to be very effective, you need all these things. But don't stress yourself is what I'm trying to say. Like, don't kill yourself about it. Like, it's not that difficult. You're going to just take your time to write the business plan as you unfold and discover things about your business. Like, I always say a business plan is ongoing. I don't think there's actually any end to writing a business plan. Okay, imagine, I've gotten my 5-year goal. I've achieved my 5-year goal. So what happens after then? I create more goals and I create more plans. If I want to restructure my business and take another route, I have to plan that as well. So I feel like a business plan does not actually end. So as long as you have the basic things like your business structure, what are you selling, your target market, how much are you going to use to actually get the product on the ground, how are you going to reach your customers, and your operational plan, then I feel like you're actually good to go. There's really no big deal about the rest. The rest can come in later as you start your business or start to flow with the basic plan that you have done. So thank you guys for really watching this video. If you've made it to this, to the end of the video, I really appreciate you guys. I'm going to link a video that I did earlier on, before now, I think around June, July, but I did a video on why your business is not scaling. So I really want you guys to watch that video. If you enjoyed this one, hopefully you enjoy that one too. And if you do like my content, please do subscribe to my channel. Just the red button down there. Like it's really not. Just click it. Just click it. It's not gonna take you anything. Just click it. Thank you so much. Please like this video if you liked it and share to your friends so that they can watch, especially people that are into business. You can share to them as well so that they can watch this video and learn from it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I love you all. Thanks for watching. Bye.